So today's video is about benefits of working from home because we have been working from home from past 1 year. I'm sure that most of you are also working from home. So we analyzed and listed down some benefits that you may or may not be aware of specifically to Canada. We have listed down all the benefits, and also in this video we'll be telling you 3 remote positions which are open right now for Canada. You will be able to apply for those positions as well, and those are remote jobs, so you will be able to work from home. So let's continue with the video.
Before we proceed, we would request you to please subscribe to our channel because 70% of people just watch the videos, they like it, they even comment, but they do not subscribe. So please subscribe.
Check down below, you might not have subscribed, so click the subscribe button. Let's start with number 1. Number 1 point is location independence. So you know that in our videos as well, we told that you should get a rental property in downtown Toronto or big cities like Brampton, Mississauga. But things have changed drastically. Now everyone is moving to suburbs. It is not necessary that you need to have a rental or a condo in downtown where you have your company. You don't have to eliminate that travel time. You can be living 90 kilometers far from your company and still work remotely. You don't have to pay high rents. You don't have to pay high mortgages because you know if you are buying a property in big cities like Mississauga, Brampton, Toronto, mortgages are high. It is very costly. Like real estate is on fire right now. That is the reason why people are moving out of GTA, moving in suburbs, buying bigger houses at cheaper cost. Still they are able to work for their companies. They don't even have to change the job. That's one of the biggest advantage, I would say, of working remotely.
Even if you're not in a mood to buy a house right now, you can still book a beach house or a cottage for a month or so and you can work from there. So we have a video on beach house, so you can check that on our other channel, Canada Couple Vlogs. So yeah, it was more fun.
We did not work remotely, but there was a person who was living in that cottage from 2 months and he was working remotely. So that's another option. If the work is location independence, there are people who are working remotely, not from their house, but they are going on beaches, they are doing vacations, so you can work from anywhere. And there are few people who move to India and they are working from there from 3-4 months. Obviously, there are people who got stuck in India right now. That was also an option. Last year, people moved to India, worked for 3-4 months from there remotely, and then they came back. So that was another advantage. Another biggest advantage, because of location independence, it is not necessary that you have to move to downtown Toronto to apply for a good job. You might be living in Vancouver and you might be working from downtown Toronto. Earlier, what people used to do, if they are living in, let's say, Manitoba, they had to move to Toronto to work for an IT company that they like. But now they can still live in Alberta, they can still live in Winnipeg, they can still live in Nova Scotia, but they can work from a company in big city like Toronto or Vancouver. So that is again a big advantage of this remote working culture.
Second benefit, commute. So we have been living in a suburb from last 1 year and we know the pain. We used to travel to downtown Toronto like 2 hours every day. So we have been saving a lot of time there.
Yeah. I would say we traveled to office for 2 months before the lockdown. And on an average, we were spending around 2 hours, like 50 to 20 minutes drive, then go train, then some walk in the evening, same thing. So stress plus time, so much time you're wasting in commute, plus you're not able to do anything. There are people who read books in the go train, but mostly people just waste time, like listen to music and all. That time you can utilize at home. So you're saving 2 hours in a day. Like, let's utilize that time in a productive manner, right? So much time is being saved by this working remote culture. And also, let me give you a fact that if you're in Canada, if you're working in a big city, on an average, you will end up spending 2 hours in travel for sure. Because if you're not living in downtown, if you're living in downtown, your rental will be high. Mostly people rent out in GTA in suburbs, and from there, traveling to a big city like downtown or Mississauga, you will end up spending on an average 2 hours every day.
On top of that, especially in harsh winters, like you are not traveling, you are not going outside your house, you can easily work from home. So that is like a benefit. I really enjoyed this 1 year because there were times when it was like thunderstorms, there were like snowstorms, but I was still able to manage everything from home because in these times there are like some days when you cannot actually travel. So that way is like I was highly productive in those days instead of worrying about the outside weather and missing the train. So yeah, like it was a great benefit of working from home.
Doesn't matter you drive your own car to office or you take public transport. In harsh winter, it is really stressful, it is really hectic. So you are saving on commute times, you're saving on that stress.
And there is one more benefit that Harmeet can tell you.
She can tell you because she loves sleeping. She can like sleep for 24 hours in a day. So if you're working from home, you know that sometimes you get to sleep more, maybe an hour or 2 hours in the morning. So that's another advantage. If you're not commuting to work, you can have that 45 minutes, 60 minutes of sleep extras. Even 15 minutes of extra sleep helps a lot. So just imagine you get to sleep 45 minutes or 60 minutes more. You can be more productive.
Third benefit, better work-life balance. As you know, in Canada, there is a cost for everything. The kids, like if you're sending your kids to a daycare, there's a cost involved. If you're sending your elderly parents to the elderly care, there's a cost to it. So with working from home, you can actually take care of your parents, you can take care of your kids, you can focus on your family. So that is the biggest advantage, and you can save a lot of money as well.
While taking care of your family, you can take care of your home as well. There are so many projects people are finishing right now. There are so many contractors visiting houses. Like we have fixed so many things in our house. Otherwise, we would have taken leaves from our office. So we are working from home. There is some problem with, let's say, our kitchen or our basement or some walls and everything. We are getting that fixed. So today as well, some contractor came and they fixed our roof, right? Otherwise, we would have taken off or we would have asked for work from home. So that is not the case. You are attending so many appointments. Let's say you have a doctor's appointment. So you don't have to work from home or take a leave. You can, in between the meetings, you can visit the doctor, get your appointment done, came back and you can finish your hours. So flexible hours gives you so much benefit. You can start your day whenever you want. You can end your day whenever you want. Doesn't matter if you're finishing your work, it doesn't matter when you're starting, when you're finishing. So you can work as per your schedule. You don't have to stick to 9 to 5 log in log out hours.
Apart from that, if you really like to exercise or maybe go for long walks, you can do that during your lunch hour. I have people that I know, they go for skiing, they go for walk, they go for bike riding. So I think people are utilizing the time very efficiently.
Yeah.
So you can actually focus on your hobbies or maybe some side hustle.
So just imagine if you're doing a side hustle, let's say YouTube or some other activity, some online business, you can focus on that because you're saving time on commute. You are working from home. You have so much time in the evening because you might be finishing all the works that you're supposed to do in the evening, maybe in the lunch timing, maybe early in the morning. So you will get a lot of time after your office hours to work on some side hustles as well, earn some extra money. That's always good.
And like for us, today is a working day for us. If it had been a like going to
Yeah.
office culture, we would have never done it during the week. So
Yeah.
we are able to make videos during the weeks because of work from home.
Yeah. So as promised, I told you that I'll be telling you 3 jobs which are open right now in Canada, and the website that you can use is T-Tech. Let me tell you because most of the remote jobs will be there on that website. So if these job doesn't suit you, you can apply for other remote jobs. Keep checking the website and you will have a lot of remote working job opportunities. So let me go to the desktop and quickly show you the website. So once you open the website, you can go on view all jobs. So you will be able to see that there are 567 jobs right now. And then again, you can filter it out basis the location. Let's say I enter Canada. So it will only show me jobs for Canada. And there are few job openings for Ontario, and then further you can filter on work from home jobs as well. But currently there are 3 job openings right now which you can apply for. So let me show you that. First one is customer service representative. That is a work from home job. Good thing is that it is open for Ontario as well. So it is open for Manitoba, British Columbia and other provinces as well. And the eligibility criteria is very minimum. You should be fluent in English, high school graduation, communication skills, 6 months or more, customer service experience, which you might have, and internet basic requirements like USB headset and desktop, laptop. So basic requirements are there. If you're meeting those requirements, you can apply for these positions. Second position is bilingual customer service representative, and that is for Portuguese. Good thing is that this is also available for Ontario. So most of the people who will be applying from Ontario, they are eligible for it. And the salary is also good, $17.5 per hour. You're working from home, nothing better than that, because if you have basic internet, headphone, PC, you can apply for these work from home jobs. Third one is also a customer service job, but that's chat representative. So the minimum requirement will be your typing speed instead of English communication language. So if your typing speed is good, if you have the basic requirements like desktop, good internet, then you can apply for this position as well. So keep checking the website. The navigation is pretty simple. Just subscribe to the newsletter. Whenever there is a new opening, you will get the notification. Plus all the links to the open positions are in the video description. Go there, apply, because these are remote jobs, so doesn't matter, you can earn some extra money sitting at home. Next point about money. So that's also very important. I can't tell you how much money we have saved by not going to office, and there are so many people who have saved a lot of money. I mean, people were going for coffees, people were going for lunch every day, like mostly every day, spending on the commute. Like people who were traveling by their cars to office, just imagine the car maintenance, fuel expenses, insurance cost. You can also reduce your insurance cost if you're not driving your car for a particular limit. So we also reduce our insurance because we were not traveling that much. In this lockdown, we were not driving for long trips, so you can also do that. Plus, if you're commuting via Go Train or Go buses, you can reduce your cost on that as well. Another thing, professional wardrobe. Like, you know that in past 1 year, no one must have bought formal attires like formal shirt, pants, formal shoes. Like if you ask me, I will never think about it for next 1 year if I'm not going to office. So you saved a lot of money there.
So apart from that, you can also save a lot of cost on your daycare, because now that you're home, you can take care of your kids. So that's like a big saving.
And that's a huge expense, I would say. We have heard from our friends that's a huge expense of daycare.
Also, now that you're working from home, you can move out of downtown and you can buy a spacious place that's in suburbs, and you can pay much lesser rent as compared to what you are paying. So that way you're saving a lot of money there.
Yeah, and if you're planning to buy a house, mortgage will be very less if you are moving out of big cities, out of GTA, let's say. So in suburb, you will be paying very less mortgage comparatively. Next benefit, flexibility and comfort. You know, now you can work from anywhere. You can work from your bedroom. You can work from your home office. You can work from your couch, sitting in living area. You can buy a bigger monitor if you want. You can buy 2 monitors if you want. You can buy a standing desk if you want, right? So earlier you had to request to the company that you need a standing desk, you need 2 monitors and this and that. But now you can make your home office the way you want, the way you feel comfortable. Plus, there are few organizations which are paying you some rebate for, let's say, setting up home office. Plus, I think you got some amount for setting up home office. So we bought monitor like for our home office. That really helped us. So this is how there are few organizations who are supporting remote work culture. And as I mentioned, flexible and comfortable. You can take calls from your kitchen while working. Like sometimes she takes. Let's say you got tired sitting on the office chair, you can move to couch, take few calls from there, and then get your work done.
Also, in this year's tax filing, we got a $400 tax rebate because we were working from home. So that's a benefit given by the Canadian government. So that was really great.
Yeah. So even government is supporting the remote work culture. Now all these things combined make you more productive because you know that you are less stressed, you are not commuting, you're working as you feel comfortable, you're working from couch, you're working from office, let's say home office. So you're more comfortable, you have less stress, in turn you will be more productive. So I would say all in all, there are pros, there are cons as well. We have made a video about pros and cons as well. But overall, it is for the advantage of employees, I would say. Even companies are saving a lot of money, which they are spending for the benefit of employees. But I would say employees are saving a lot of money. Plus, they are less stressed, they are happier, they are more productive now. Retention rate is also gone down because people are not changing jobs very drastically. That there is a study that proved people are not changing jobs. They are comfortable, they are working from home, they are less stressed, and they are happy. So if we missed out on any of the benefits, please comment down below. These were the benefits that we thought of after working remote 1 year in Canada.
And let us know in comments whether you prefer working from home or working from office. We really want to hear about.
There are people who want to go to office and work from office instead of home. So let us know in the comment section. Till next time,
Stay safe
and stick around.